will be able to define conductors, insulators, resistance and the resistance in series. First, I would want you all to focus on what is the meaning of resistance. As you all can see, it is the property of a substance due to which it opposes the flow of current. That means whenever in a circuit the current is flowed, उस particular substance के पास कितना strength है that it can oppose the flow of the current is called as resistance. Now, as we all know what is the meaning of resistance, we will move towards the conductors and the insulators. The conductors are the ones which have a very low electrical resistance. That means they cannot resist anything for a longer period of time. For anything over here, it means the charge. They have charge carriers which move easily. The examples are metals, silver and copper. There are many more conductors which you all can search on. Second is insulators, a substance which has a very high electrical resistance. That means उसके पास इतना electrical resistance है that it will not allow the current to flow. They do not have charge carriers which move easily. For example, wood, glass. We all also know about rubber. This resistance is actually being carried out by some resistors. For the first type of resistance could be in series and the second is in parallel. The resistance or the resistors are represented by these symbols. You can see mountain like structures which are there. This is one first resistance, this is 2 and this is 3 resistor. So this is not 1 but there are 3 resistors which are there in this particular symbol. Now for series, the current is the same in every part of the circuit. That means जो पूरी circuit होती है उसके अंदर current पूरा का पूरा same रहता है. Whereas when I am talking about resistors in parallel, then the voltage is the same across all the resistors. That means the voltage which is there or the strength by which the entire current is flowing is going to be the same across all the resistors. The formula for the resistance in series is very simple. Rs is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 R4 plus डॉट फॉर n नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स. अगर यहाँ पे 1000 रेजिस्टर्स सीरीज में मतलब एक लाइन में होने वाले हैं, देन द RS विल बी द सम ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. RS is represented by total resistance, therefore I have done an arrow over here. R1 is represented by first resistor or the resistance, R2 by second resistance, R3 third resistance, R4 fourth resistance and so on. I hope we are clear about it. I am quickly going to show you how will I be able to find out the total resistance when the resistors are in series. Alright. So over here my question says that find the effective resistance. What do I mean by effective resistance? मतलब total कितना resistance लगेगा अगर मेरे 3 resistors 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 30 ohm होंगे तो. So my given is already written. My to find is RS which is over here representing for the resistance in series. My formula will be RS is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 which is equals to 10 plus 20 plus 30 which is equals to 60 ohm. So my final answer will be the effective resistance of the series combination of resistors is 60 ohm.